Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Grammar and Punctuation Introductory Book 8-6 Plus Key Stage 1 focusing on grammar skills. Let's open the book. In my previous lecture, I have covered till unit number 12. Today I am going to start unit number 13, that is more questions. We ask questions for lots of reasons. Whenever you write a sentence that is question, you must put a capital letter at the beginning and question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? So making sure, make these sentences into questions. The first one has been done for us, okay? The window got broken. How did the window got broken? Look, how, okay? This is a question word, and after these words we put the helping verb, all right? And at the end of the question, or we put the question mark at the end of the statement, we put the question mark, okay, if it is interrogative question, all right? So what we have to do in this exercise, we have to make the questions. Answers are already given to us and we will make the questions, okay? Let's start. The window got broken. This is the answer. So how we will make the question? How did the window get broken? And keep in mind, with did is the helping verb and it is used in past tense, okay? With did we use first form of the verb. Look, we have used get, we did not use got. Got is the second form of the verb, but did, we are using did is the helping verb. For the past tense we will use first form of the verb, okay, because did itself is the second form, all right? So how did the window get broken? Number 2, the pencil is blunt. So how we can make this question? Make question for this answer. Why is the pencil blunt? Okay. And keep in mind, after these WH words, we will use helping verb. All right. Someone is at the door. So what should be the question for this? Who is at the door? And at the end, you will put the question mark. Okay. Number 4, Tom's birthday was in March. So what should be the question for this? When was the Tom's birthday? Okay, and at the end, question mark. Paris is in France. Where is Paris? Okay, what should be the question? Where is Paris? And at the end, question mark. The cat was stuck up the tree. Who was stuck up the tree? Okay, last one is, it will soon be time for lunch. When will be time for lunch? Okay, and don't forget to use the helping verb after these question words, okay? When, how, who, where, why, etc. After these words you have to use the helping verb, okay? I hope you will like this lecture and thank you so much for watching.